What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, this is Sister J from Sister J Caribbean Cuisine. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for returning. Thank you for your support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Today I'm doing a healthy smoothie. Breakfast smoothie packed with vitamin. Come along with me. Let me show you how I do this healthy smoothie, Sister J's way. So I'm making 2 servings for this breakfast smoothie. Here I have frozen strawberries. I have some fresh pineapple here, bananas, frozen blueberries. I have some raw peanuts and 2 yogurt. I'm doing 2 servings. Also, I'm going to be using water. I'm going to be blending the peanut first. So now that the peanut is blended, I'm going to add the other ingredients. So I'm going to put the frozen fruits in. And I'm going to blend. Now I'm going to add the pineapple. Now I'm going to put the banana. And now I'm putting in the yogurt. As I said, I'm doing 2 servings. Guys, my smoothie is ready. And I can't wait to devour. There you have it, guys, my healthy breakfast smoothie packed with vitamin. I thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and share with your family and friends. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.